Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to demonstrate thermochromism using mercury iodide. Check this out. So all I'm using in this reaction is heat from my magnetic stir plate and mercury iodide that I made in a previous reaction. I made this mercury iodide through a double displacement reaction with potassium iodide and mercury nitrate. When it's in this red state, it's in an alpha state, but at a certain temperature, the crystal structure changes and it turns to yellow. At this point, you can see the mercury iodide is starting to go through a phase change at about 126 degrees Celsius. It starts to change its crystal structure and turn to a pale yellow. And if you look carefully, it's changing its color right now. At this point, you can see that almost all of the mercury iodide has changed to its beta state, that pale yellow color. Now I'm going to turn the heat off and we're going to see if it turns back to its alpha state. It turns red again. And it looks like the crystal structure is changing again back to the alpha state. You can definitely see it's starting to turn kind of a red-orange color again. Okay, what you just saw is called thermochromism, and that's the reversible color change of a compound as you heat or cool it because the crystal structure of the compound actually changes. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.